Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I've got Eve's Parcel and this is what it looks like. So if you're new to Eve's Parcel, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see me unboxing the contents, I would add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Eve's Parcel is a monthly subscription box, but with a little bit of a difference. It's a period box, but you also have up to 5 beauty and lifestyle treats inside as well. So the cost of the box is £12.99 plus £2.95 postage and packaging. This is only available in the UK. You can cancel any time, and they offer a 3-month subscription for £38. You have got the option to actually have this box without the sanitary protection, so just the beauty treats on its own, and that will cost you £10 a month, and then the £2.95 postage and packaging on top. So with the sanitary protection, you get to choose what brands you want, you get to choose whether you want tampons or pads or a mixture, plus you get to choose when you would like it delivered out of 3 delivery dates, and you're also able to purchase one-off boxes as well. So I think that's as far as the information goes. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. Here you go. I'll show you first. Now, Eve's Parcel was kindly sent to me as PR. I wasn't aware I was getting it this month, but when it came through my letterbox, I had a bit of a surprise because normally when brands send out PR, I have an idea of what's coming, so I'm able to, you know, write down in my little notepad when I'm able to slot in a video or a review, etc. But no, this came out as a surprise because I wasn't expecting it. So I'm very busy at the start of every month. It is basically sub-box mania. There's loads of subscription boxes that come out, you know, right at the start of the month. I said that if I've got enough time, I will post it up on my channel. So I'm doing it today. So thank you to Eve's Parcel for this box. So inside, you normally get a leaflet telling you all about the products and their pricing, but I wasn't given one. So when I messaged Eve's Parcel, they kindly sent me an email back with the details, so I'll be referring to my phone as we go through it. But you always get a yoga move of the month, and that's what it is there. It's easier to show you that. And then it got all the details on the back on what to do. Then we got affirmation of the month, and it says, today I will not stress over things I cannot control. So there's that. And we also get some promo leaflets as well, so it relates to products that are inside the box. I have had a sneak peek, but I haven't opened it up in full, but I thought I would wait and do it with you. So I opted for pads, and this is how they come. I love the packaging, very simple, but I do absolutely love this packaging. So I'll just tell you how many we get, because I can't remember. So we get 3 panty liners and we get 3 night pads. Now I've said in previous videos that 3 night pads is not enough for me anyway. And from reading the comments as well, it seems like a lot of you agree that, yeah, we need at least 5. I'd say 5 minimum really, because yeah, I'd love to have a period that only lasts like 3 or 4 days, but unfortunately I know I'm probably in the minority, but yeah, my periods just last really long and they're heavy. So for me, unfortunately, 3 is not enough, but that's in one bag. In one bag we've got 7-day pads, and in the other bag we've got 7-day pads. So we've got 14-day pads in all, and we got 3 night pads and 3 panty liners. So that's the sanitary protection. So on to the beauty. So we got a secret, and it's minerals from the Dead Sea, and it's a mud soap, and this is a 30 gram. That's what it looks like there. It says use daily, suitable for body and face. I was expecting it to smell of like seaweed or something. I don't know, silly, but no. It smells quite natural, nothing smelly or pongy going on there. So that's what that looks like there. So let's refer to my phone and see what it has to say about it. Unfortunately, Eve's Parcel has sent me the March edition information and not the April edition. Not to worry. Next we've got a food treat. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. This is handmade in the UK, dark chocolate brownie by Tray Bake, and it's a rich, moist Belgian dark chocolate brownie. I love brownies. Can you see there? Woo. Not sure the reflection, but oh gosh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, doesn't say anything else really. That's our sweet treat. I forgot to say as well that as well as the beauty treats, you always get like a sweet treat, and you get like a tea bag or something like that as well. Now our third item is a familiar item. It's a Bella Pierre banana setting powder. Now I've seen a ton of these in lots and lots of different subscription boxes over the last year. More so last year than this year. I think I've seen it once this year so far in a glossy box, or was that it looked fantastic, can't remember now. But unfortunately for me, I don't like it. I've got a little bit of a fake tan going on at the moment, but normally my skin is quite pale, and I just find that this banana setting powder just makes my under eyes look grey. So it's supposed to brighten your complexion. It's great for baking, but I would say it's definitely for more darker, warmer skin tones. So unfortunately, I'd be giving that away. Or I'll be gifting that to a friend. Then we got the tea bag, and this is a Health and Healthier Organic Blackcurrant Naturally Caffeine-Free tea bag. I love blackcurrant. I haven't tried this one before, so I'm excited to try that. I love my herbal teas. Next we've got a bath bomb. I love bath bombs. What have we got? This is by Soap Smith and Marble Arch Butter Bath Bomb, handmade in London. So that's the outer packaging there. Oh wow. Oh, it does. Not so much butter. It smells like, hold on, if I get my whole face in this. Oh, it smells like cocoa butter, or like a white chocolate then, you know? That's what I've got, makeup and lipstick all over this now. Never mind, I want to keep it clean so I can take a photo, then I can use it then. So that's my thinking of mess. But no, so really excited to try that. Is there any information on the back here? Vanilla, orange, saffron and a hint of patchouli. These butter bath bombs are divine and packed with shea butter, coconut butter to gently cleanse and moisturise the skin. Marble Arch, with its striking appearance, is reflected in its strong sensual scent. So that's that item there. And then lastly, we got a face mask, and this is by Nomad Beauty Collection, and it's in a little packet there, so it's got information there because it's in, I'm assuming, yeah, it's from Seoul, so it's from South Korea, and it's water splash sheet mask. So that's what that looks like there. So all the information on the back is in Korean. We've got a little leaflet here. So what's it say? It's got nothing to do with actually this mask, but it's water splash. Oh, it has. There's a little bit of English on here. It says that this revitalizing sheet mask contains natural ingredients which help balance your skin moisture level in dry environments. It's 100% gentle cotton fabric, is of the finest quality for the perfect adherence while still allowing your skin to breathe. And then it's just got information on how to use it and how long to use it for. So that's our last item. So I'm just going to gather them all up. We've got 6 items in all. We've got a sweet treat, which is this gorgeous chocolate brownie. And we've got a tea bag here. And then we've got 4 beauty treats. So the first one is a Dead Sea soap by Secret. Then we've got the Korean sheet mask by Nomad Beauty. Then we've got the Marble Arch bath bomb here. And then finally we've got the Bella Pierre banana powder setting powder there. So yeah, so those are all the items for April's Eve's Parcels box. So looking at it, I think it's a really nice mix. It's nice that besides the chocolate and the tea bag, I think having a soap, a bath bomb, a setting powder and a face mask, it is all pampering. It is all, you know, nice and pampering. Again, someone made me aware a couple of months ago about having bath bombs in a period box. Is a little bit odd because a lot of people don't have baths when they're on a period. Everyone's different. I know I don't anyway, but I'll save them for when I'm not on a period. So I do think it's a little bit weird that it is in a box, but yeah, it's nice, it's pampering, so I'll save it for when I'm off a period. But yeah, face mask and everything, you know, it's all pampering stuff, so I do like the thought behind it, and I think it's a nice box as well as having your sanitary protection as well. And the one reason I won't be subscribing to it is because it's just that it's £5 more expensive than my other period box that I received, my pink parcel. I'm still on their old payment scheme of £10.50 a month, but the full price is £12.99, so even £12.99 is a little bit cheaper than the nearly £16 which Eve's Parcel costs for roughly similar things, but you get more pads in pink parcel. So for me, it's not an indecisive decision what box I should go for or which I prefer, because they are both very similar. I have to go with cost, and pink parcel for me is a lot cheaper. I would like to see more night pads. I don't think there's enough there, but yeah, other than that, I think it's quite a nice box really. So yeah, it's a little bit on the pricier side, but yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think this is a nice box? Do you receive it? Do you think it's good value for money? And all your comments and thoughts, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.